going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. We've got a very exciting one for you today. We're staining the fence because we got 2 nice warm days ahead of us, and we're building not 1, but 2 decks, 2 small decks, 1 in the back, 1 in the front. We're gonna walk you through the whole thing, so make sure you hit subscribe. Stay tuned.
Oh, hello. How are you?
Great, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good. You can see we're doing some staining on this fence here, and today and tomorrow it's gonna be close to 50 degrees. It might be our only 2 really nice days to get this done, so we're trying to bang this out. We're also getting our footings in for this back deck, and we'll show you in a little bit. We're actually building a front porch. I know. What are we doing in the front yard of people's houses? I don't know. But
we're basically back in the Stone Age.
we have to do concrete footings here, which is horrible. I hate it. It's the worst, especially this time of year. But we had a bunch of utilities here. We had electrical lines coming through here. In the front, we had the sewer line coming through there. We decided we better hand dig these holes instead of doing helical piles. And what do you think? How much does this suck?
It's not the best, you know?
We'll be very excited on the next job when we can go back to helical piles, because these things suck. Oh, did you get that?
Yeah, sure did.
Oh, great. Let's show you what we got going on. We're getting ready to build this small little landing. It's only a 15 by 7 rectangle, so we should have this thing up, framed, completed in about an hour. That's what we're shooting for. So, we got our footing set up here. We're gonna set our beam directly on top of the footings, and then we're just gonna frame this bad boy up. It's gonna be super simple. Then we'll get to the stairs. We have stairs that wrap around this thing, but this should be super quick. Let's show you what we got going on out front. Yeah, we're doing a deck out front. What's gotten into us lately? I don't even know, but come check it out. Here we are, out front. We're doing a deck in the front yard. I guess it's more of a porch because it's in the front yard, but check it out. They had a little landing here. We ripped that out. It was all rotted, terrible, ready to fall down. And then, of course, what do we uncover? We uncover concrete steps underneath of the old deck. So we broke these up as much as we needed to. Deck's gonna start here. We got a pretty cool little, thing that's gonna follow the contour of the house. So we'll show you that when we get to it, but we're all over this house. Front yard, backyard, side yard, whole 9. You can see when we get this rim joist on here, we just go one side to the other so we can lift up and down. You can see this is a little bit high right here. So Scooter, go over there. I'm gonna push down on it a little bit. How we looking? Good?
Perfect.
Perfect. You on your mark?
Yeah.
There you go.
A little up.
A little up?
Yeah, perfect.
Now the next one. Look, oh, I just took the pressure off, and is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Simple as that. So we've got the back deck all framed up here. Nice little landing, and we've got the wraparound steps going on.
Now we got a little bit of a problem, so.
We have a little bit of soft spot here. Not too bad. It's only in this tiny little area. Sometimes you can compact your 3/4 stone down into the subgrade and it's gonna make it really solid, but sometimes that doesn't work super well. didn't work super well right here, so what we're doing is mixing in some type S mortar into our subgrade. So all we do is pour that on the ground, and we can mix it into our subgrade. That's gonna dry out the soil and it's gonna stiffen it up so we can compact this, and it's gonna solidify this little bit of a soft spot in the subgrade. Then we can continue. We're also gonna be doing geogrid in this base, so it's gonna be locked in for justice, but you wanna make sure that you don't have those spongy spots before you continue on your base.
We got some Soffit going up today. Figured we had a little bit of a crazy morning with some weather. We have this nice roof structure we can work under. So we're just buttoning up some of the details. I'm cutting all the Soffit right now. Guys are putting up the columns, privacy walls. Lets this project really take shape.
It's a good vantage point.
We've got this really beautiful cabana. It's almost done, and got a total facelift. Looks freaking awesome. Let me show you. So when we opened this up, we kept all of the posts that were there, and we wanted to give them a really cool, kind of more modern look. So we used the Deckorators Khaya around that, gapped it 1/4 inch, and to hide all the spacing in there so you don't see light through it, we used a geotextile fabric, just wrapped it around, and then we will be doing some aluminum corners. But you can see it's just nice and open. Check out the bar. We're gonna do some decorators on top of this. We've got the decorators down here. We've got this privacy wall, block out the neighbors. And it just feels so much more inviting now that this is opened up. Previously, there was just one door getting in here, so nobody really hung out in here because it felt really cramped and enclosed. Now that it's opened up, it's gonna get so much more use. Flows right onto the patio. Gonna have some stools here. Pass some drinks across. This thing is going to be the party spot now that it's all opened up and renovated. What do we got there on our elevation?
Top of screed, top of framing, about 9 inches. 9 inches.
9 inches, nice. So once we get pavers on top of that, we'll be at 7 inches. Then we'll put the decking on top. We'll have that 8-inch rise, and that's what we have on all the steps. Keeping it nice and consistent. So he's going to get this screed ready. Then we're gonna be ready for pavers. We've got a really cool design for that, but you're gonna have to wait for the next vlog for that. Make sure you hit subscribe, stay tuned, and until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.